guys, today we are camping. So here's me and Daddy. We're ordering Jollibee, so I'm hungry already. Here's Mommy. Say hi.
Hi.
So guys, I undone myself. It's so cute. And wait for a minute. Cutting my okay. Okay. Stay right there. Sunglasses. There. So kainit. So yeah. So guys, today we're ordering Jollibee. Baby, yay!
Nice straw, bye.
Yes. Yay! Look.
3 minutes. So guys, we're here.
Hi.
We just arrived here and it's okay. And let's go. Okay. Guys, we just checked in.
What floor is that?
Hi.
Here.
Hi. Today we're going to Mactan.
Here.
That one.
Wait.
Let me see.
You can sit.
Wow, this is nice.
Oh, see view.
We have also outside. I want to go and see the cloud.
We're here.
Chocolate. Now I'm going to eat my donut.
Let's go.
How far?
Sure. So we're about to swim,
Hey, Arya,
and we are just done.
Arya.
Come here.
Hi guys, today we're going to the pool. Hi guys. Today we're here now. Look.
She's very excited. Wow. So guys, a good thing about today is it's Monday, so there's not a lot of people swimming, unlike weekends. So I imagine how many kids playing right now, but since today is Monday, so this one is really good for kids. So Oreo is there. So let's go to the other pool. I think this is the adult pool. So they got a slide over there. And it's so big. So look at that. What the pork.
Okay, nakabutang sa DI, 1,000 card.
Oh. Thank you. So guys, it's our room. We're on the 3rd floor with a sea view. It's really nice. They also got another building up there. I guess there's 3 buildings. And again, they have a very wide pool, which is really good. Layo ang shower? Kanada, dili na pool. Shower. Ready? We're gonna jump. Ready? Set. Huh? Ready? Set. Go! Hi, hello. Lawom. So, not lawom.
Ini tahu. Ini mantul na.
Ha?
Napulo lagi.
Kung ihi man ang init. So guys, we're gonna swim. So see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys, Cebu Vanlife, and also please hit the like button and the bell notification button for more videos to come. See you guys later. Bye. So guys, they also have a very wide ground where you can walk around or stroll for a quick walk. And there's a sunset over there. So it's nice to walk here just to feel the breeze, the wind. It's a nice cool breeze coming from the coastal. And there's a lot of small coconut trees over there. See. Hi guys, so they also have a beach amenity here in Solea. So it's a nice place added to this resort, so you can choose swimming in the beach or in the pool. It's gonna be up to you guys. So also there's a sunset. It's so nice when you swim right here with the sunset view. And there's also, you can actually see some islands here. It's really a nice place. The water is so warm though. It's good for me. So guys, thank you for watching again to our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to again, when camping, leave no trace. Make sure that you take nothing but pictures. Here's Maria Glenn Zamora. Hi everything.
Hi everyone.
Can you tell them to subscribe?
Hello, hello. Uy,
Hello. Can you tell them to subscribe to our channel, please?
Remember, click this channel for our later.
What?
Again.
Okay.
Hi guys. Yo, just fine.
Are you sure? Sige na. You tell them to click this video or
Click this video and subscribe. Promise, okay? Right here.
Alright, thank you for watching.
Bye.
See you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you in our home. Bye.
So guys, we're done swimming sa dagat
Awadi.
Swimming pool.
and we're gonna go back to the swimming pool. So nami trivia, ang dagat kay init. Then ang dagat kay parat. So watch out mo guys. Right, see you guys later. We'll be back in the pool. Say hi.
Hi, we're
So
moving.
guys, if you're tired walking, you can ride this
Driver.
tram.
Yeah, driver.
Alright, so
On.
bye. So it's so nice. Say hi.
Hi. I'm excited.
Whoa, say hi.
Hi, oi.
Okay, it's our vlog, I have to say.
Say hi, mommy. Hi. Hi, Kinoko. Bye, bee.
Bye beach. We're gonna back to the swimming
Because I didn't know kanang kuan.
pool.
Kanang wala ka po nato sa big sky. Ah! Wala ka nito kakita niya. Ay, sinakuha na. Dito lang po
Ayaw
kuan.
lang, dito lang sa big. It's a free ride going to
The swimming pool. This is right.
so nice. Oh, it's so fast. Dad. Good morning. Hi, Mommy. How's your night? Very cold. It's 6 in the morning, and we got a very good view, sunrise here at Solea, Mactan, Cebu. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching our channel. If you don't mind, you can click on subscribe and also the like button, and if you can share this video, we would really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that bell icon for more videos to come in our channel. And again, thank you for watching, and see you next week, or see you next time in our next video. Say goodbye, Mommy.
Bye.
Bye guys. Sunrise. Bye.